Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com. In this video, I'll be talking about advanced password management. And I just came up with that name right now. But this is nothing more, nothing less than we're gonna understand a bunch of options that we have around passwords in DotNetNuke. And this is not only restricted to DotNetNuke. This is for the ASP.NET membership provider. So that's actually, I mean, it's not only, again, in DNN, but let's focus here on DNN. First option, we're gonna see how it works from DotNetNuke's admin interface. The other options, we will be working pretty much directly with the web config, but the first one we're gonna explore here on the backend. That's the only one that I'll be covering that is available here in the backend. So I'm gonna log into the backend as super user. And the first option that we have available here under host settings. And assuming that basic settings came up, let's go to other settings. And under other settings, we have something called auto unlock accounts after. And there is a number here. And this is a number of minutes, which is set to 10 minutes by default. So what is this auto unlock accounts after? Here's what happened when someone tries to log into DNN. The same account tries multiple times. Let's say that you think that you know the password, you keep trying and hit enter and click login, and you went over 5 attempts. So after the 5th attempt, your account will be locked. And this number here means that only after 10 minutes, your account will be unlocked, will be automatically unlocked. Why is that? I mean, why do we have this option? This is because if someone is attempting to break through your account, to break through a DNN account, at least they will have to wait another 10 minutes by default to try it again. I mean, they'll try it 5 times, they'll fail, they'll have to wait 10 minutes, so the auto unlock will unlock the account that was previously locked because of too many attempts, too many failures, too many failed attempts to log into the account. Now let me give an example of a locked account. I have already created another account in this website. This is a DNN 612. It's running in my local system. I have it open in Firefox, and I'm gonna open in Internet Explorer, and I'm gonna try to log in. And again, I have already created this user, and I'm gonna make this password wrong. I'm gonna try once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and when I try another one, 6, okay, 7, 8. Oh, sorry, actually, I was not putting the password. I'm sorry about that. Let me try anything here. That's the second. That's the third. That's the fourth. 5th. And now it's locked out. So after the 5th attempt, my account got locked out. And now, again, this setting means that now I have to wait 10 minutes from now to try again, to be able to try again, because right now this account is locked. How can I see that? I can go to, I'm in admin mode, I'm logged in the house as super user. I'm just gonna go to admin, user accounts. And from here, I can see that account, and if I go to the details of that account to edit, I will see that, you see, this account is currently locked out due to too many unsuccessful login attempts. So the account right now is locked out. Now, I can easily unlock that. And to do that, I just need to click on unlock account. Now, here's one note. When someone tries too many times and gets locked out, the admin of the site will automatically receive an email saying that, okay, this account is locked, too many attempts were done, and you may want to look at that. So again, that's good because DNN will tell the admin of the website via email that someone tried too many times and that account is locked down. Now, I can easily come here to as admin or super user, and I can just click unlock account, and the account is back there. I can go back, and if I close this, try to log in again. Now I'm gonna try with the correct password. This should work, even though a second ago it was locked. Yes, I'm logged in. As you can see, the username is here. I'm gonna click log out again. Now, you also have the option of not unlocking accounts. Once they are locked, they will stay locked unless you unlock them manually. To do that, you just have to go to admin here, to host settings, and under that setting, other settings, auto unlock accounts after. If you put a 0 here, it means that the accounts will not get unlocked automatically. So just set it to 0 and update. I'm not gonna do that, but this is an option that we have there. Now, you may ask, okay, so we have tried 5 times, and after the fifth time, we got locked. But what if I want to change that? What if I want to allow, I don't know, users to try 10 times, or 2 times only, or twice only? Again, what if I want to change the default from 5 to some other number? We can do that very easily. We just need to open our web config, the web config of the website, which in this case I'm running locally. I'm just gonna go to the root folder of my site. I'm going to open the web config, which I have it right here, and I'm going to try to find ASP.NET SQL membership provider. So I'm gonna search. Should be find. Okay, for some reason my search window is not coming up, but that's fine, I have it saved. So we have to find the membership provider, and it's called ASP.NET SQL membership provider. And here we have its configuration. Now, the good thing is that, well, one thing is that I broke down this line because it would be too far stretched here on horizontally, so I broke it down into different lines. And at the top, if you are running DNN6, we have a sample. We actually have a comment that explains each setting available here, so we can quickly have a look at the available options. Now, let's go back to what we were talking about. We want to we want to be able to change the number of attempts that will automatically lock an account. To do that, we just have to configure a property called max invalid password attempts, which is not set by default. Actually, the default is 5, and it's not present here. See, it's not here yet. It's just in the commented area. Why do I know that this is a comment? Because it starts with this and it ends with this. Okay, this means that this block is entirely commented out. So I just have to add another parameter here called max invalid password attempts equals 2, and then I can set that to, let's say, just for the sake of it, let's say 2. I will save this, and I'm going to give it a try again. So I'm logged out here. I'm gonna try to log in. Actually, let me refresh the entire site. I'm going to try to log in. Here's the user, and I'm gonna put wrong password once, wrong password twice, 3 times. Now I'm blocked. So as I change from 5 to 2, after the second attempt, I'm completely locked out. So that's where you can change the number of attempts to get an account locked in DNN. This is the end of part 1 of the video about advanced password management options in DotNetNuke.